It's not like I'm always muted. Every now and then I unmute.
Oh my god.
Where's J9? Probably sleeping.
Where the fuck I am?
B-Rad, thank you for the 2 months. That's unbelievable that I just died to that gun. Did J9 wake you up yesterday with all his yelling? Yesterday? Actually, I did hear it. I did wake up. I did actually wake up once when he was yelling. I don't know how the fuck I heard him. I think it's because his door was open. I don't know. I don't know how I heard him, but I definitely did. I did hear him yell one time, and I was like, what the fuck was that? Today, the whole house got fucking woken up at like 8 a.m. Someone just banging on my door, dude. I thought it was Justin. It wasn't Justin. I think Justin went back to sleep. I told him to turn on his stream. He did not do that.
Where the fuck I am?
Dude, what? How many times did I just hit his pan?
Might not want to chase me. You're gonna be in trouble if you come in here.
This is fucking terrible. Sloot. I don't know what to do. I've never gotten such shit loot before. These guys have fucking shotgun. Oh, ammo. Hey, man.
Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck I am?
Oh, I did not pick up the shells. He has no shell. What? This guy had no shells. I'm very confused.
Where the fuck I am?
Ah! I need medifications. Please. He killed him. Freak Devil just killed that guy with the M4, dude. That's great and all. He's coming to kill me. I don't have fucking meds, dude. I'm about to get carbon again. I'm about to get fucking carbon again. Please, give me something. Medifications. Please. Oh. Fuck. Do you have medications? No? Do you have medications? Got a painkiller. It's better than nothing. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Ah.
Where the fuck I
There's snipers everywhere. I'm pinned. I got some pretty good loot, honestly. Level 3, level 3. This guy was sniping too? Are you kidding me? Literally everybody. The whole fucking server, apparently. I thought this guy just killed, like, happened to kill the sniper. And that was it, right? But that wasn't the case. He was also sniping. It's kind of crazy, actually.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
So many snipers, dude. You see what I'm saying? That's not a person. Fucking bitch.
Where the fuck I am.
It's crazy. It's actually crazy. My mind is blown. Snipers, snipers, snipers. Doc, what have you done? You've brought them all back. All of them. He brought, that man alone, brought all the snipers back. All of them.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
What have you done?
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
These guys are swarming me right now.
Where the fuck I am.
I'm trying to get in close. I'm pretty sure anyway.
Where the fuck I am.
Wish I had a 4x. Sucks with the red dot. fucking downed himself, by the way. He downed himself. They were coming to kill me. He downed himself by the car, right? So I downed this one. One jumped out early, killed himself. His teammate was coming to res him. I shot at him. He started shooting me. Then I realized, okay, he ran here, and I was like, okay, he's gonna try to res him again. So I fucking threw a nade here, because I got a couple hits on him. So I don't think they were. I think they thought they were safe. Maybe, I don't know. That was weird. I was holding in like a fucking burp.
Where the fuck I am.
Made a bubble in my throat. Well, fuck. Now what? Is there more? Maybe there's more. Hold on. There's probably more. There's always more. Charmin Ultra. Less is more.
Where the fuck I am.
Hello? I'm waiting for that drop. I don't think anyone's here. What? Are you kidding me? See, I told you I'd hit 60K. Now Doc is literally about to go live. Now watch, it's gonna dip hard, but then it's gonna come back once they realize. I mean, you know what the fuck. Come on, bro. That did like no damage. I thought that did way more. Why are you camping the drop? Fucking weenie. Can I put a 15x on an AUG? Oh, I can. Oh my god, there are so many people in that car. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. I need to go. I need to just go. Because I'm about to get pinned. I need to get out of here. Luckily, this guy can't aim. I'm really glad I moved right there, because I was about to get so fucking pinned, it was stupid. I was dead for sure. So I had to move. Fucking 15x on an AUG looks so dumb.
Where the fuck I am.
If I had a car 98, I might have stayed. Because then I might have been able to... Look at these fucking guys, dude. They just run. They realize they can't get the drop, so they fucking run away. Incredible.
Where the fuck I am.
I don't want a 15x.
Where the fuck I am.
AUG 15x is terrible. I want to chase these guys. Wait. The fuck? What happened here?
Where the fuck I am.
Don't refresh. Twitch is glitching out. What? Is it? Oh no, 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 not like this! Holy fuck, dude, that's the whole team. Alright. Alright. What the fuck? What was that? I'm in a bit of a pickle here. How am I gonna do this? It's 4 fucking people. They could literally circle me, and I'm dead. There's 1. There's 2. There goes his helmet. Come on, man.
Shroud, I love you. You're the bomb.
Fuck yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck I am?
Fuck yeah. Yeah. Woo. I did it. Alright, I think he's alone. We're okay. Interesting game here. Very interesting.
Where the fuck I am?
Fucking bro, Doc's bringing the snipers back, man.
Where
All
the
of
fuck
them.
I am?
Crazy. I'm gonna take the car. It's stupid far away. 4X. Yeah, I have one. Oh. What are you doing, Lacey? What are you doing? Where are you going? Why did that person turn around? What? What? You're just gonna hold on to that for me, SKS. I'm not actually gonna use the SKS. I was just gonna hold on to that attachment. Hold on to this too. Make some room for me. Thank you. Wait for a sec. Wait. Sniper might be here. No? Okay. And go. Yeah, I get it. Twitch is broken, okay? We understand Twitch is broken. Don't refresh. Holy fuck, who put that rock there? Hey guys, I can't tell. Is Twitch broken? I hate you, Justin.
One of my best friends.
Oh no. Oh my goodness. Where am I? What the fuck? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, bodily swagger. Not today, Mark Wahlberg. Holy fuck. Holy shit, that guy was stupid close. Dude. That guy was crazy close. This should do right here. I don't think you can see me. Okay, that's the only time you're prone, by the way, when you have like the hill like this to heal on. How much HP does that guy have? I think I was just hitting him in the legs, dude. I think I just constantly leg. All legs. I need that car 98. He had one, right? Or that guy had one. What the fuck's going on, man? There's so many people. I love it. I love it all. Keep it up. Yeah, the AUG sounds pretty cool, but it's pretty shit, being honest here. Alright, where the hell is this guy's crate? Do you guys see it? He had a car 98. I want to suppress it, but I don't actually see it. There's a guy at this tree here. Hold on. Wait. There he is. Where the fuck was this guy's body? Oh, this is gonna make me mad, because I'm probably not gonna find it. He was looking down over this ridge, right? So he must have been there. Yeah, there we go. No. What the? That's not what I wanted to do. All right. Ow, dude. Come on, man. Fuck. Let me just loot in peace for a second here. This is crazy. What the fuck's going on? It's getting lit. Take out my K9 for J9. Now come back. Because these guys have to be moving in, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this guy. This guy doesn't have a helmet. Why are you still peeking me? Heal. What? Oh, someone else just sniped me. I was like, dude, what? This guy's insane. Who sniped me? And from where? Where'd you shoot me from? Where are you? I need to know.
Where the fuck I am.
Where'd you snipe me from? Oh, dude, it was a team of 3. You know, I should have figured that it was a team of 3, and they were all working together. That's probably why he was shooting at me, baiting me. I should have figured, but Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this guy gets a fucking clean angle right here. Yup, and dead. Oh, dude, I got double card right there. That's incredible. The guy with the SKS kept peeking me. That guy to my left shot a car hit, or got a car hit, and the other guy to my right hit his car shot as well, so they both just hit me immediately. I was wondering how my health dropped so fast. It was 2 car shots immediately. They both hit me in the body. Wow. Wow.